How to view recently watched reels on Facebook. In this tutorial, I will show you how to view recently watched reels on Facebook. The first step is to open or launch the Facebook mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see the posts that have been shared by others. From there, make sure you tap on the menu at the top right corner of the screen. This is the menu section of your Facebook page. Here, there are various shortcuts that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. After that, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Finally, come to the bottom of the screen where you will see these different options. From them, the one we need is this one here named Settings and Privacy. Make sure you tap on it. As you can see, the section expands to reveal more options. From the options that are here, tap on this one here named Settings. This is the settings page of your Facebook account. On this page, there are options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of your Facebook account. After that, what you have to do is to scroll down. Keep on scrolling down until you reach this section named Your Activity. Under the section, there are more options. From those options, the one we need is the one here named Activity Log. Under the Activity Log, you will see different kinds of activities that you have carried out on Facebook, such as the ones you see here in this top section. So make sure you scroll through this section to the left, and you will be able to see more activities such as public tags, live videos, among many others. From them, look for one named Reels History. My account does not have that option, but there is a similar option here called Videos Watched. So make sure you tap on it, and you will be able to see your recently watched Reels on Facebook. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to view recently watched reels on Facebook.